Hello, my dear friend. I'm Bella Bin. Since last year March, the COVID-19 started here in Canada. We moved to this small house beside the lake in a small town. From then, we live and work here permanently. The lakefront view is different in different seasons. Even different day has a different one. When we see strange and wonderful scenario, then we record it. So far, we have been recording for more than 1 year. So here, I would like to share all the wonderful recordings with you, my dear friend. I wish my hard works, my art, will bring you a little moment of happiness. Let's start from spring. Snow and ice starts melting. Everything is waking up. Deers know these things first. They come to looking for tender grass. The bravest is this couple. They jump into the cold lake. I guess they know the temperature of the water this time. Canada geese come back from south. They play in the cold water already. The two young people are holding wedding ceremony on the thin ice. The first bowl, the second bowl, the third bowl. The lake is dotted and the geese fly from this end to that end. The squirrel comes to eat a free lunch. He has a big appetite. The little egret comes to looking for his food. Dad and Mom bring the little babies to eat a delicious lunch here. Fishes come to deposit their eggs here. This is not only our home, but also their cottage. Only when the sun comes out, after a few days raining, we realize the spring comes. My flowers blooms, my plants grows. See, my flight green beans grows so well. The lake is so lively in the summer. Every people on the vacation, everyone enjoys the water. The geese organize the huge party here quite often. They eat and drink, and they never say thank you. After finish eating, they jump into the lake all together. They go swimming, having a tour, or fooling around. I love the green, flourish, beautiful, enthusiastic, spirited summer. Time flies. In a blink of an eye, my flight green beans are ripe. Pick some, enjoy my own fruit of labor. Although it is very hot, I still like to eat my stewed flight beans with pork ribs. The weather gets colder. It is normally foggy on the lake. It is the middle of the fall already. The thick fog covers the lake. Maple leaves turn to red gradually. The most beautiful season comes. This is the last fishing on the lake this year. We are lucky got a bass. The fish is good size for steaming. I cooked steamed bass. The fish is very smoothie, silky, and tasty. My cook is very successful. Maple leaves are duly red. It is splendid, colorful world. Autumn is a aesthetic painting, a love story, and a magnificent epic. Autumn wind comes, the leaves fall, and the colors goes away. But some evening in autumn is so charming. The sunset glow snuggled up to the blue lake. These two lovers talking lowly. All leaves fall. The golden land holds the clear lake very tightly. Dear rabbit, eat more, please. Your food will be soon covered with snow. The geese hold the last party this year, then they fly to south soon. The first but big snow falls looks like Christmas snow. After the snow, wow! Do you think this is a beautiful view of the world? Oh, beautiful view of the heaven. The ice on the lake freezes to melt, melt to freeze. Finally forms a big one on the side, but the middle still waits to freeze on the end. After a while, the lake is frozen. Crabs plant there, crabs frozen there. This season, it rains and snows alternately. The lake is clear blue. The side of lake looks like a big snow sapphire. At the end, the lake wears a white coat. The weather is getting colder and colder. This silver dress for the lake is breathtaking, isn't it? The lake is locked. The white and blue world looks fascinating. I love you, winter's pure and noble. There is enough snow now. People come to ski, but due to COVID-19, not many people as before. Normally, there are thousands of people skiing now. In the middle of January, ice on the lake is thick enough. People shovel a road on the lake. People can do ice fishing on the lake now. You guys are not afraid of severe cold. True heroes.
5 lines. Oh, okay. Hello. Oh, nice. 5 lines.
People also play snowmobiles. It is so exciting. The easy way is to walk a long distance to see the nice view on the lake, also good exercise. The winter, made up with jade powder, is packaging up quietly. See, the snow and ice start melting. Everything roses up. The winter is leaving. The spring is preparing to come secretly. Dears come to report. The spring is coming. The spring is here already. Wish you all the best in the new year.